General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Dear sirs, paragraph. We are in receipt of your communication of the 16th instant and write to inform you as follows. Full stop. We have noted that you desire to expand your upcountry sales and have therefore requested us to grant you a loan to meet your immediate requirements. Full stop. We would like to take this opportunity to inform you that though your request was recommended by our local branch manager, we regret that it did not find favor with our board of directors for certain reasons. Full stop. First of all, our past experience has not been a happy one in respect of firms which are in the same line of business as you are. Full stop. In one case, we have had such a bad experience that our directors are not willing to risk giving a loan to a firm of the same kind. Full stop. The second important reason for our inability to sanction you any loan for the purpose stated in your application is that recently government have put a limit to the amount of loan that may be extended by us for the type of business as is being carried on by you. Full stop. We have very nearly reached this limit and are yet to meet any of our previous commitments. Full stop. Though we are not in a position to help you out with a loan at this particular time, we appreciate your position. Full stop. We hope to be of assistance you in the future. Full stop.